Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Microsoft Outlook email, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you download or export your contacts from Microsoft Outlook? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to download or export your contacts from Microsoft Outlook anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with a lot of different softwares, and you want to be sure to add your Microsoft Outlook contacts to your CRM. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Microsoft Outlook dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Microsoft Outlook, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to download or export your contact list, here on the left side, you're going to click on these two little people. They're in blue. All right, once you do that, you're going to see all of your contacts you have in Microsoft Outlook. However, to download or export this list, up here on the top right, you're going to click on Manage Contacts. Once you do that, you're going to see two options, but you want to click on this one, Export Contact. Once you do that, you can go ahead and choose which folder of contacts you want to download. For me, I'm going to go ahead and choose All Contacts, and then you want to click on Export. Okay, quick second later, the page downloads my contacts from Microsoft Outlook, and then here is the formatting. So you can see it downloaded a lot of different information: first name, middle name, last name, title, email address, home phone number, company main phone number. Basically, all of this information would be included if you have it saved for those So there you have it, guys. If you're looking to download or export your contacts from Microsoft Outlook, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.